I'm totally screwed. I'm sorry. I didn't want it to turn out like this. Oh, hey, come back here, you. What the? Huh? Oh, it's just like the song. Birds suddenly appear every time you're near. Blown struts, $600. Cracked shocks, $300. Four bent rims, $400.
Yeah, but we sure did jump that creek, didn't we?
I got those two boys now.
Uh-oh. Roscoe's on our tail. Step on it.
No, you know what? I'm eating the ticket.
But there's a creek right up there.
We were only going 5 over. In Hazard County, that's a $15 ticket. I looked it up.
Yeah, but they're off attacking me, you damn sea serpent. Oh, man, look at him. Can I at least mess with him?
They note your attitude on these things, so keep your mouth shut.
Look like the Duke boy could run out of gas.
No, officer, just pulling over to give you my license and registration.
Pulling over? What kind of Duke sorcery is this? Don't move or I'll shoot. Step on it, man.
Hey, just stay cool. I'm just gonna slowly and awkwardly climb out of this window.
No! Oh, man, what did you do? Why didn't you just run? No, I want you now.
That is it.
Oh, no.
What are you looking at?
I guess I'm looking at a mother who's never heard of a timeout before.
Pythagoras, the sum of the areas of the two squares on the legs of a right triangle equal the area of the square on the hypotenuse. Can you believe I discovered that?
No, and neither will anyone else. But they'll believe I discovered it. Give me that. Guys, look what I just discovered.